it's Skylar, and today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. First, get a blender and take off the top. And this is what you'll need. You will need a blender, need some vanilla yogurt, frozen banana, and some frozen strawberries. Okay, first you put in some vanilla yogurt. Like that much. Then you put in your banana, frozen banana. And you get some frozen strawberries. Put 'em in. They're frozen because it tastes better if it's like thick smoothie. Yeah. Okay. Then now, get a cup, take it out, pour it into the cup. And that's how you make a strawberry banana smoothie. Thanks for watching.